Wherever you are in the world today. I hope you're absolutely fantastic. I've got I've got some news, but before I get into that, let's just continue what's happening over here. Now, I'm not very proud of what Bitcoin's doing right now. This ranged price action is pretty unattractive for me. The way it's just harboring in within this price zone. And for me, that's higher risk. There's little continuation. There isn't a lot to go off of right now. So I'm personally hanging back. And for those who might need to hear it, yes, perhaps I was wrong on this in a way, but also I was right. Whilst price was back here, I said that's going to go in between those two environments. I didn't do an update since then. Perhaps this red line was a little bit misleading, but I think it just helps people who are on their mobile see the forecast better. However, what I'm seeing is a potential turning point here with a little bit of upside happening. If that is the case, then I'm not too excited about the market structure to follow. All right, so we have officially a higher high here, which means that this down move is over. It stops over there. So let's anchor in the next configuration and see what will happen next. Even though it's going up, I'm not overly excited about getting in on this. So let's have a look. I'm just having a look at the MTOPS methodology here: market structure, time forecast, oscillator, price, and support and resistance. So I want to make sure that we've got everything correctly scaled, which seems to be good. I'm going to take it up one just to see whether or not yeah, I mean, this is showing a possibility of uptrend kicking off. On the higher time frames, it's not too convincing. So right now, just to be more open with the way I'm treating this market, I'm not necessarily going by what's happening on these dominant trend directional areas, because there seems to be some mess, quick move, little run, consolidation, little run. So it's a bit messy over here. And as I made mention to, being caught in a range isn't necessarily how I like to trade myself. I like those big 45-degree moves that extend the profit as far as it can do. So what I'm doing is trading in the lower time frames and day trading, opening up multiple trades per day. And because of that, I'm able to get through these questionable market conditions whilst the market's anchoring itself in to decide what it wants to do next. And I am quite proud to say that my AI project that I've been working on for the last year and a half has been putting out forecasts. And what it's putting out is surprisingly, I mean, it's actually better than what a human could have done in most circumstances. Not only is that the case, but the accuracy of what it's putting out right now it's shockingly good. So I'm really, really glad about that right now. And yeah, I'm very humble about it, because I don't know. Sometimes there's beginner's luck, or or something to that effect. So I'm just a little bit nervous that things are going this well, so well. And I'm going to be testing it out day after day for the next number of weeks just to make sure that's not the case. But I can tell you right now, I am absolutely impressed. I'm actually shocked at how awesome it is. I'm able to forecast on live market conditions at that. So super, super exciting stuff. Just a call to investors. This is closing in on your last opportunity to get in on the project, as within a short while to come. I'm not exactly sure the amount of days from here. The project itself will close off to any outside investment because obviously any external capital wouldn't necessarily do much to an algorithm or an AI that is profiting significantly off the market day after day. So if you are looking into perhaps a cash generating asset that is in the realm of what you love anyway, which is obviously live markets, reach out to me. Let's have a discussion. Perhaps you can be in on what's about to unfold. All right, ciao for now, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.